Hello, my darlings, and welcome. I invite you to embark on a deeply relaxing body scan meditation where we will visualize the soothing flow of rivers and streams to guide us toward a state of tranquility and unwinding. Let's do some magical crafting. You may wish to do this meditation seated or lying down. Do not listen to this guided meditation while driving. Find a peaceful space where you can comfortably relax, and let's begin. Close your eyes and imagine yourself nestled beside a gently flowing river. Feel the cool breeze caressing your skin and the gentle murmur of water as it dances over smooth stones. Allow the serenity of nature to envelop you, creating a safe and calming space for this body scan meditation. Take a deep breath, allowing your body to relax and sink into the support beneath you. Visualize roots extending from your body, firmly grounding you to the earth below. Feel a sense of stability and connection as you establish a strong foundation for this meditative journey. Bring your attention to the top of your head and visualize a crystal clear stream flowing gently through your scalp. As the stream meanders, it carries away any tension or stress it encounters. Leaving behind a soothing sensation of relaxation. Allow this stream to flow effortlessly, cascading through each part of your body. Move your awareness down to your forehead and temples. Imagine a gentle river flowing over these areas, washing away any furrows or tightness. Feel the coolness of the water releasing tension, leaving you with a sense of calm and clarity. Direct your attention to your eyes and your jaw. Visualize a serene river flowing through your eyes, gently washing away any strain or fatigue. Let this river continue its journey, soothing your jaw, allowing it to relax and release any lingering tension. Feel a wave of peacefulness washing over your entire face. Shift your focus to your neck and shoulders. Visualize a gentle stream flowing through these areas, carrying away any stiffness or knots. Feel the water's gentle caress as it massages your muscles, allowing them to unwind and soften. Sense the weight of the world being lifted off of your shoulders. Extend your awareness to your arms and hands. Envision a tranquil river flowing from your shoulders down through your arms and into your fingertips. With each breath, feel the stream bringing a deep sense of relaxation, allowing your arms and hands to become light and at ease. Now let the soothing streams flow into your torso and legs. Visualize the rivers gently nourishing your organs and muscles, releasing any tension held within. Feel the warmth and comfort as the streams envelop your entire being, inviting deep relaxation and tranquility. Take a moment to sense the unity of your entire body as the flowing rivers harmonize and integrate their healing energies. Feel the profound peace and serenity as every part of you is embraced by the gentle waters. Allow this sensation of deep relaxation to linger, savoring the stillness and calmness within. As this meditation concludes, the music will play for several more minutes. During this time, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Carry the tranquility and unwinding sensations with you, nurturing your well-being throughout the day. May the flowing rivers continue to guide you toward a state of inner peace and harmony. I'm sending you blessings of relaxation and health.